In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Facebook app and you need to click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. From here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy and expand this drop-down. Select Settings from the list. Click on Meta Account Center at the very top. Underneath Account Settings, select Personal Details. Click on Contact Info. And in order to change your email address, we first need to add the new email. So go ahead and select Add New Contact right at the bottom. Click on Add Email Address. Now what you need to do is type in the email address of your new email, and then select the profile that you want to change this for. Click on the Next button. So that's going to go ahead and send a confirmation code to the email address that you already have it set up. And once you've entered this code, you'll then be able to add your new email. Once you've added your new email, we can delete the old one just by clicking on it and then coming down to Delete Email Address. I'm pressing Delete to confirm. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change an email address on Facebook. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.